Hello all, I am Adarsh Gamba and here for presentation with the teammates Praful Kudikala and Padasarthi Inturi. We have done this presentation in the guidance of Professor Wang Dingding for Natural Language Processing. We have gathered here to discuss on fake news detection, hate speech detection. This is an exciting opportunity for us to dive into the key aspects of fake news detection, hate news speech detection, and explore. I encourage you all to have a look on this presentation. We are here to learn from each other and make the most out of this opportunity. By this end of this presentation, I hope that you will have gained valuable insights and a fresh perspective on fake news detection, hate speech detection. Whether you are a seasoned expert or new to this field, I believe there is something for everyone to take away today. Once again, I would like to express my warmest welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you for joining us today, and without further delay, let's begin our presentation of fake news detection, hate speech detection. Coming to the context, we are going to present on introduction, problem statement, challenges, importance, current methods, role of natural language processing techniques, case study, future directions, conclusion. Now, coming to the introduction. The spread of fake news in our society, especially through social media, has become a pressing issue. In light of this, our research dives into the use of attention mechanisms to detect fake news. We have meticulously examined two distinct sets of data, one comprising regular news articles and the other sourced from various sources. Our preliminary discoveries indicate that attention mechanism, while promising, isn't performing as effectively as we had hoped. However, we haven't stopped there. Through the implementation of Word to VEC embedding, we have observed encouraging potential for enhanced efficacy in identifying fake news in this context. This ongoing exploration is vital in battle against misinformation, and we remain committed to refining these methods to tackle the ever growing challenge of fake news in our digital age. Next, coming to the problem statement. The proliferation of misinformation with the advent of the internet and the prevalence of social media platforms, the rapid dissemination of unverified false or misleading information has become all too common. This phenomenon is not only a threat to the truth but also undermines our ability to make informed decisions. Another concerning aspect of the digital age is the escalation of hate speech. Online spaces have increasingly become breeding grounds for this harmful theotic. The consequences are far reaching as it amplifies social tensions and divides communities, often along lines of race, religion, or political beliefs. The impact of these issues on our society cannot be overstated. Misinformation and hate speech erode trust, deepen societal divides, and have a direct influence on public opinion and decision making. In an era where information is readily accessible, addressing these challenges is crucial for fostering a more informed, inclusive, and harmonious society. It is imperative that we collectively acknowledge and confront these problems, working together to find solutions that protect the integrity of information and promote constructive dialogue and understanding. In this slide, we face significant challenges when it comes to managing information. One of the most prominent hurdles is the rapid spread of content. Information travels at an unprecedented pace, making it incredibly difficult to contain a fact check false or misleading information before it gains traction. Moreover, the context in which information is presented poses another obstacle. Discerning subtleties like context, sarcasm, or nuanced language within text becomes a considerable challenge in the quest to identify deceptive content. The difficulty hampers our ability to accurately distinguish between what's genuine and what's misleading. Furthermore, as we strive to combat misinformation, we encounter the ever changing landscape of deceptive tactics. Those who spread false information constantly adapt their methods, making it essential for detection techniques to be adaptive and scalable to effectively keep up with these evolving tactics. These challenges necessitate innovative and flexible approaches to navigate the complex terrain of information dissemination. We must continuously develop and redefine and refine our strategies to tackle the rapid spread of information, understand its context, and adapt to the evolving tactics of misinformation. Your attention and collaboration in addressing these challenges are vital in maintaining an informed and discerning society. Thank you all for your time and attention. It has been a pleasure sharing these insights with you. Now, I would like to introduce Praful Kudikala. His insights will surely provide a deeper understanding of the upcoming topics.
Hello everyone, this is Praful Kodigala, and hereby continuing the upcoming slides. So, in this slide, about the importance of addressing the issues of misinformation and hate speech cannot be overstated, as these elements have a profound impact on various facets of our society. First and foremost, these factors wield significant influence over public opinion. Misinformation and hate speech play a pivotal role in shaping individual perceptions and decision making. They have the power to sway belief, attitudes, and behaviors, thus affecting how people interpret and react to information. Moreover, these issues are not confined to the digital realm. They premature our society, contributing to social inability by fostering unrest and division with communities. The divisive nature of hate speech and misinformation can strain the social fabric, leading to tension and conflicts. In the realm of politics, these elements have a tangible impact influencing narratives, elections, and public trust in governance. The spread of false information and hateful rhetoric can spread political landscapes, impacting public trust in leaders and institutions. Conversely, addressing these challenges fosters a healthier online environment. Tackling misinformation and hate speech is essential to foster trust, ensure security, and prompt constructive dialogue in digital spaces. Ultimately, the preservation of truth stands at the core of addressing these issues. Detecting and addressing misinformation and hate speech plays a crucial role in upholding the integrity of information and safeguarding truth in the digital space. By recognizing and collectively working towards mitigating these challenges, we can create a more informed, cohesive, and trustworthy society. In this slide of current methods, our fight against misinformation and hate speech, we have some few key methods that are disposable, each with its own pros and cons. Manual fact checking involves people verifying information. It's accurate but slow and resource intensive, which can be challenging in the fast paced digital world. Machine learning models swiftly identify misleading content but may struggle with context. They are quicker but might miss nuances in languages. Linguistic analysis studies language patterns but faces challenges in real time analysis due to the consistency changing online content. Each method has its strengths and limitations. We are working to understand and integrate these approaches better to create a more effective system for tackling misinformation and hate speech. In this slide, natural language processing holds a pivotal role in our fight against misinformation and hate speech due to its swift text analysis abilities, understanding of context and emotional tones, and its capability to go beyond literal words to interpret meaning. Crucially, NLP is instrumental in discerning authentic content from misinformation. Its efficiency and depth in text analysis makes it an efficient tool in addressing these challenges. In my final slide of NLP techniques, so when we combat misinformation, we use specific tools to understand and sort through the content. So here we have sentiment analysis, which quickly pinpoints emotional tones in text, aiding our comprehension of conveyed attributes. Topic modeling organizes content, facilitating better understanding of various themes or subjects. Text classification sorts content, separating genuine information from misleading content. These tools are crucial in discerning authentic information from misinformation, helping us navigate vast information to make more informed decisions. It's been a delight sharing these perspectives with you. For the upcoming slides, Parthasarathi Inturi is going to continue. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Parthasarathi Inturi and hereby continuing the next slides coming to case study. Case study AI powered moderation. Let's embark on a journey exploring a case study where leading social media platforms harness the power of AI and NLP for content moderation. Facebook, for instance, harnesses AI algorithms to flag and moderate content, focusing on identification and mitigation of misinformation and hate speech. Concurrently, Twitter effectively employs NLP technology to detect and address hate speech, underscoring the pivotal role of advanced language processing in content moderation. Moving forward to future direction, the trajectory involves advancing NLP for deeper contextual comprehension and improved real time detection. But the journey is not without its ethical quandaries, and addressing the ethical implications of NLP's developmental progression is paramount. Additionally, fostering collaborative innovation in research stands as a imperative for devising impactful solutions for online issues. Coming to conclusion. In conclusion, the learnings we have harvested from this exploration are pivotal. NLP remains the cornerstone in our ongoing battle against fake news and hate speech. However, the odysseys of refining NLP for effectively addressing these challenges is an ongoing one. It is a journey that mandates collective effort and shared responsibility. Upholding the integrity of information through NLP innovation stand pivotal. for societal well-being and the preservation of the truth in the digital realm. Coming to the references. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.